Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter we're going to see the advanced link options. The advanced attribute. So in fact, you can have several additional options. So here we see that in our A tag, so our link, we have the rel attribute, which takes for value the relationship. We will see later in an example that it takes different values. Then we have the attribute download. So here it will take for value the file name to be able to force the download. So we will also do this in a concrete example. Then we have the type attribute, which will take the destination type as its value, and finally the hreflang attribute, which will take the language as its value. So let's see it in a concrete example. So here we are on our coffee page, and as you can see at the bottom of the page in our footer we have a Facebook image. So link itself because it's a link. So we are going to go and see what's going on. So we have our link here and we're going to add an option to it. So here I'm going to put the rel attribute, and for value I'm going to put external. So here, given that Facebook it's not my own server, it's not my own site, and well, I'm going to specify that it's a link and an external server. In this way, I won't be responsible for this link. So you can see that if I refresh my page, I won't have any changes. Now, let's see our coffee image. So here, in my home page, I have a coffee image. I'm going to make it clickable. I'm going to go to my site and I'm going to find it. So this image in my index page. So our image is here and I'm going to make it clickable by adding a link. So we're going to put our link. Our closing tag will come below our image. And in this way, if now I refresh my page, I have my image that is clickable. If I click on it, it opens my image in the browser. Now, I want my image to be downloadable in this case. I'm going to add the attribute download. And I'm going to set the value to coffee.jpg. So if I update my file and I go to my image, it offers me to download the file. So we can also see that in my footer I have a little Italian word, and we can imagine that, for example, this word refers to a version of the site in Italian. So I'm going to put a link here that refers, for example, to a page in Italian. And we're going to use href languages. So I'm going to put my attribute here and I'm going to specify that the site is in Italian. Italian is IT. This will not change anything, it's just for semantics. To finish, we can specify that our image, so it's here, is of type of JPG. So for that I will add the attribute type, and we'll simply say image/JPEG. So here are the options for the link.